ऑडियंस इज, और ऑडियंस बहुत भोली होती है. ऑडियंस माइट नॉट पुट इट इन करेक्ट वर्ड्स. ऑडियंस हैज ओनली टू एक्सप्रेशन. ऑडियंस सिर्फ दो ही एक्सप्रेशन में बताती है, मजा आया और मजा नहीं आया. इसके बीच का जो थिन स्लाइसिंग है ना, वो हमें करना पड़ता है कि अगर तुमको मजा आया तो क्यों आया है वो मुझे समझना है, और अगर मजा नहीं आया तो क्या चीजें काम नहीं किए वो भी मुझे समझना है. So as an actor, in whatever limited reach or authority that I have to that particular film or a project,
correct,
I have to be true to my character and its world. Without thinking कि अगर मैं ऐसे दिखूंगा तो खराब दिखेगा,
जी,
अगर मैं ये कपड़े यहाँ से पहनूंगा तो ऐसा दिखेगा. I have to become that character. So what I do, and it's a simple process that has worked for me since years, be it stage, Gujarati film or Hindi film or scam, that just be the character.
correct,
और एक्शन और कट के बीच में एक्टिंग नहीं करनी. डायरेक्टर एक्शन बोलता है, तब आई जस्ट हैव टू बी अ कैरेक्टर. आई डोंट हैव टू एक्ट. आई हैव टू मेक दैट मोमेंट लाइव एंड आई हैव टू फील इट. सो इट्स जस्ट मोर ऑफ रिएक्शन देन द एक्शन. And I guess this works broadly, as you said, कि वो effort, क्योंकि actors में ये बोलते हैं सर कि if I put a lot of effort in creating something in front of you, you as an audience will get tired. कि यार बहुत effort डाल रहा है, आपको जारी लगने लगेगा.
बिल्कुल नकली लगेगा पूरा.
वो बहुत नकली लगेगा.
Absolutely. Beautifully answered. And I think हम लोग दो इंजीनियर बैठे हैं यहाँ, तो बहुत सारी इंजीनियरिंग टर्म्स पर इंजीनियरिंग जार्गन टुडे. स्कैम में बहुत फाइनेंशियल जार्गन डाल दिया, अभी लाइफ में पूरा इंजीनियरिंग जार्गन डाल रहे हैं.
लाइफ में नहीं सीखा, नहीं जाना ऐसा फाइनेंस मुझे पूरा स्कैम के लिए सीखना पड़ा था. Because as you clearly said कि गुजरातीज के लिए पैसा सब कुछ होता है, they are business community, but I am a गुजराती जिसके फादर ने, फोरफादर ने, फैमिली में किसी ने ना कभी बिजनेस
नहीं किया,
ना कभी शेयर मार्केट में पैसा बनाया. किसी ने पैसा ही नहीं बनाया हमारे घर पे.
मैं ऐसा मारवाड़ी हूँ जिसके किसी ने बिजनेस नहीं किया, पैसा नहीं बनाया. But I love the answer you gave. It's a beautiful answer. I feel that when you're talking about excellence is not so much about a destination, it is a journey. And I really love the point that we're constantly improvising on that journey, because by the time you say that this is where I am, things change. The industry changes. The what people like changes. We change. Our evolution changes. There's a lot of change that comes. So definitely it's an evolutionary process. I definitely agree to that. And good to know that between the cut and the action is you.
You don't have to act. अगर उधर एक्टिंग किया तो पकड़ जाओगे.
और ऑडियंस को दो ही चीजें समझती है, मजा आया, मजा नहीं आया.
मजा नहीं आया.
बीच में भोली जनता है, वो बस वो एनालाइज नहीं करने वाले कि इसने क्या किया जो मजा नहीं आया. वो मुझे करना है.
हाँ, वो मुझे करना है, वो मेरा काम है.
बिल्कुल. I can tell you, even as a speaker, like I'm talking to you, I'm very naturally speaking to you, spontaneously. So one of my things is I'm very spontaneous. I'm not like a scripted man. Right? मैं ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट लेके मैं बात नहीं करता. I do a lot of events. I sometimes speak in front of 30,000 people in a stadium, and when I'm talking on stage, moving around, there is definitely a structure to it. क्योंकि अगर 30,000 लोग आए हैं और spontaneously बोलने जाए, कुछ आया नहीं, तो they'll be disappointed. Right? So there's definitely a structure to it, but there's a lot of scope for your authentic self and spontaneity, जिसमें से naturally flow होता है, right? So I think when we are talking about achieving excellence, मैंने एक बार पैब्लो पिकासो की बहुत अच्छी कहानी सुनी थी. Pablo Picasso, the great artist, he was walking on the street one day and a lady came and said, "Hey Pablo, will you make a pencil sketch of mine?" तो Pablo ने बोला, हाँ. He took his pencil, in 30 seconds he made a pencil sketch. 30 seconds, right? 30 सेकंड में पेंसिल स्केच बनाया और उसके हाथ में दे दिया, और he said $30,000, madam. He said, "Hey Pablo, 30 seconds में बनाया, 30 seconds से $30,000 for making it in 30 seconds." Pablo said, madam, the $30,000 are not for making it in 30 seconds. The $30,000 are for the 30 years of hard work to be able to make it in 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
एक्सेलेंस के पीछे 30 साल का रगड़ना होता है.
हाँ.
आज के 2020 में प्रतीक गांधी, हर्षद भाई बने स्कैम में, लेकिन 2012 से लेकर 2020 तक के 8 साल का रगड़ना किसी ने देखा नहीं है. उस स्टेज पे जाना, वो घबराहट हो या वो रिस्क हो या वो नर्वसनेस हो या वो फेल्यूर्स हो या वो सक्सेस हो, ये सब कोई देखता नहीं है. और जो भी व्यक्ति बनता है वो आइसबर्ग के टिप को देखता है बस. नीचे समंदर के नीचे, beneath the ocean there's a massive chunk of the iceberg which is responsible for the tip which the world watches. Right. So beautiful answer, and I feel just a point to everybody who's watching that excellence is a journey, not a destination. It needs to be improvised constantly, but it needs honing, refining, hard work, constant giving yourself 200% to what you're doing, nothing less than 200%. And that's the only way you reach where you are, isn't it? So,
Yes,
Pratik,
yes.
thank you very much for that incredible answer. But हिस्ट्री ऐसी नहीं बनती, नहीं हिस्ट्री ऐसे नहीं बनती है जी. लोगों को साथ में लेके चलना पड़ता है, साथ में लेके चलना पड़ता है. मैं 100 लोगों की एक ऐसी सेना बनाना चाहता हूं जो मुझे अपना 100% देंगे. और फिर अपन, आई विल यूज दैट वर्ड अपन नाउ, फिर अपन 1001% हिस्ट्री बनाएंगे. So I think that I love that dialogue in Scam, because I 200% vouch for the fact that history is created with the support of people. You can't make history by yourself. You need the right people in your life, and you have created history now. You created history by coming up in a role where everybody is talking Pratik. Now Pratik means Harshad Mehta, Harshad Mehta means Pratik. ऐसा हो गया वो. Inseparable roles हो गए. Correct. So when we are talking about that, those people who give 100%, right? कि ऐसे लोग हो जो 100% हम में विश्वास करें, हमें अपना कमिटमेंट दे. ऐसे लोग जब सफर में रहते हैं ना, तो सफर में हम जहां पहुंचना पहुंच सकते हैं. Correct. So my question to you is, who are those people in your life? Could be in the industry who believed in you, could be in the family who believed in you, could be in your friend circle who believed in you, could be in your social circle who believed in you. क्योंकि हर हनुमान को ना एक जाम्बवान लगते हैं. हनुमान कई बार भूल जाता है कि उसमें क्या शक्ति है. तो जब जाम्बवान याद दिलाए कि भाई हनुमान, आप में एक क्षमता है कि आप समंदर लांग के लंका जा पाओ, तब हनुमान को याद आता है कि मुझ में ये शक्ति है. I have this strength in me. So who are those people in your life? Who are your Jambavans? And who are those who believed in you? कि लोगों को साथ लेके आप चले आगे, और वो लोग जिन्होंने प्रतीक भाई को बनाया.
Oh, so there are. I guess I'm blessed. I'm super blessed to have such people around me, all through my life. It starts with my family. My family always believed, always supported, and that too not a blind support. With their critical eye constantly on, they supported. Like I tell you one small example, when earlier in the school times, I used to participate in almost all the competitions and never won any prize ever.
Correct.
And I won. So back then we used to hear a lot of things about partiality. कह रहे तुम्हारा ही नंबर था पर उसको दे दिया, वो इसका चाचा है, भतीजा है, whatever. So one day I just went home and I spoke to my father. कि I think I was good, but because of some partiality I didn't win. And my father told me that this is an excuse that you can give yourself. Feel comfortable, go and sleep. But this will not help you improve yourself. So forget about partiality or anything else. You lost because you were not good enough. Even if they were ready to do partiality with you, what if you had won with miles and not with millimeters? Then they can't even do it even if they want. So you raise your bar. Stop blaming the world. And this is a piece of advice which is very, very important in our field of performing arts. Because we artists, we are very emotional. We are supposed to be emotional because emotion is what we are selling. So I am supposed to be correct. But at the same time, I have to be constantly self-aware about myself. कि नहीं यार ये गलत है शायद. I need improvement here. और ये कौन बताएगा? Unless I create that aura or that kind of comfort around me that anybody who comes close to me can tell me truth.
Yes.
Without fearing that इसको बुरा लगेगा कि अच्छा नहीं होगा. नहीं, I need to listen to the correct criticism for me to enjoy. And that can come from only these near ones, those who are constantly believing in me. As you correctly said कि अगर मुझे ऐसा कोई कहे कि नहीं तू ये कर सकता है, but you are wrong here, you improve here. That's where I'll improve. सिर्फ जाने वाले लोग होंगे तो it is very difficult to survive in the field in this kind of fields. So my family constantly supported me with this kind of criticism also, this kind of encouragement also.
Brilliant.
And they forced me also beyond the point. कि कर लो यार, कर लो, कुछ नहीं, क्या होगा? We are there. My wife, because I still remember I did not have house, I did not have enough money to buy another one or get another house on rent. When she was pregnant, when we were expecting a baby. And at that time, I was offered a first film, and she said that just go for it. We'll manage.
Wow.
We'll do something about it.
You have to get her in the
Agar wo
she's
nahi-
around.
Oh, she's not around. She just went out with my little one.
Okay.
So, अगर वो नहीं हुआ होता तो शायद यहाँ तक पहुँचना difficult था. Even in the office that I was working, all my colleagues, because they knew that I do shows in the evenings or in weekends and all. अगर वो जने पहली फिल्म के लिए 20 दिन की छुट्टी नहीं दी होती तो शायद मैं फिल्म नहीं कर पाता, तो शायद यहाँ तक पहुँचता ही.
बिल्कुल.
My Masi and my cousins and all, because I came from Surat to Bombay, I had no place to stay. I stayed with them for almost 6 months. And figured out that how will I survive in this city, where I have to pay my own bills, and how will I make things happen.
Correct.
So I guess these are a whole set of people those who constantly supported, constantly guided.
Correct. Amazing. Thank you for sharing that experience of yours with people. क्योंकि लोगों के साथ लेके ही हिस्ट्री बनती है 100%. And I really love this thing that you said about what your father said, right? That don't play the blame game. दोस्तों सब ये पॉइंट आप नोट कर लीजिए, सब लोग जो देख रहे हैं. ब्लेम गेम खेल के अगर वो गलत कर भी रहे हैं तो भी उससे आपका कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You just cribbing and complaining that they're partial and they're just playing that blame game is not taking us anywhere. And it's crucial and important that we improve and we raise the bar, which you very rightly said. And what a beautiful thing that if they wouldn't have given the 20 days leave, 20 दिन की छुट्टी नहीं मिलती तो कैसे कर पाते, है ना? और इसलिए हर इंसान ना उन जामवानों के लिए बहुत शुक्रगुजार रहता है, कृतज्ञ रहता है कि इनकी वजह से ही आज मैं हूँ, जो भी हूँ मैं वो उनकी वजह से. Right? Like for me also, tomorrow's Father's Day. So I'm glad you brought about this point about your father, right? And मुझे भी याद है when I was studying my engineering, I think first I did my diploma in electrical engineering, then I studied engineering from COEP. Right? So when I was doing my diploma in engineering, I stood first practically every semester. And in my last semester, which is the main semester, I stood second. Right. I stood second in my college, but that meant third in Maharashtra. So I remember my father. I came back and my father, मैंने marksheet, मेरे father ने बोला क्या हुआ, तो मैंने वो marksheet ऐसे ली और father पे यूं ऐसी थमा दिया, फेंक दी. And not out of disrespect, but out of frustration. और I don't cry usually, but that day I started crying. क्योंकि सपना था वो straight topper, right? And that meant a gold medal. और
Yeah.
सोने की जरूरत नहीं थी हमको, सोना मारवाड़ी है हमको, तो मेडल में सोने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन वो एक ऑनर होता है राइट, गोल्ड मेडल. सो I remember crying, and my father, I remember he said something very interesting to me. Since it's Father's Day and you brought the point of your father, what you learned, I thought as an honor to my father who's no more, I would share the story. My father looked at me in my eye and he said to me, "Look, sir, देखो बेटा, रैंक जो है ना आज का है बस, कल को कोई याद नहीं रखने वाला कि तुम फर्स्ट आए थे कि सेकंड आए थे कि थर्ड आए थे. You look at how well you have done in your marks and in your performance. नंबर जो है रोज का बदलता रहता है और किसी को याद नहीं रहता. He said to me, you look at how you have done. You've done well, right? You've given your 200%, and then there is your karma and your destiny and your luck. As much as you gave your best, and then the rest is in the hands of whoever up there. You gave your best. Don't worry. Now you go ahead and do exactly the way you did in college, giving your best, and it'll bring you where you need to be. So I can never forget what.
So very well said.
Ranks, numbers.
Yeah.
आते जाते.
Very well said.
Performance or excellence कभी नहीं जाएगा. You give your best. Right. So
Yeah,
to all
because
the
that comes
fathers
from
who are
intention.
watching,
Yeah.
of course. To all the fathers who are watching, if there are any, wish you all a happy Father's Day. Pratik, wish you a happy Father's Day.
Yes.
I'm sure.
Thank you.
I'm sure Miraya will say that to you, but
Yeah, she's making a card for me.
oh, lovely. Lovely. And to all those who are not fathers yet, please do wish your fathers a happy Father's Day tomorrow, because mothers को ना बहुत लोग glorify करते हैं. Fathers को उतना कोई बोलता नहीं है. Underrated है fathers का role कई बार, because they are the ones who उनका love दिखाने का तरीका थोड़ा अलग होता है ना, senti नहीं होता है. तो
ज्यादातर टाइम तो वो लव दिखाने के लिए अवेलेबल ही नहीं होते बेचारे कहीं ना कहीं.
So now one last question before we end, and then with this last question, then we'll end with one-word associations. Right.
Yes, please.
So yeah. So this one last question to you is success क्या है? Right.
Failure
के बाद का chapter है. Lala. I have to say Lala once to you. Lala. Success क्या है? Failure के बाद का एक chapter है ना? तो failures के बिना success कैसे कोई नहीं जानता. Nobody is successful without failure. So I would like you to tell our audience, if you like it, if you like to share, what was your worst failure? Right? Like in your career, what was like a worst failure you felt like this is rock bottom? इससे नीचे और कहीं नहीं जाया जा सकता. Correct. And if this was my worst failure, what was it that actually brought me back? What did I learn from there? और मैंने कैसे, तब मेरी वो डेफिनेशन सच में हो जाएगी कि सक्सेस क्या है, फेलियर के बाद का अगला चैप्टर. So I would like you to share, if you want to, a story or whatever from your experience, and tell our audience how you dealt with it and inspire them to understand that failure is the foundation of success.
So failure, the biggest, I guess the first failure that I experienced when I was in 12th science.
Mm-hmm.
And I did not score enough to get direct admission in degree engineering.
Oh.
So the childhood thought was there in my mind that I wanted to become a doctor since my school time. पर 12th के रिजल्ट के बाद तो ऐसा था कि डॉक्टर तो छोड़ दो, वो मेडिकल का तो हिसाब ही नहीं है, तुमको डिग्री में भी एडमिशन नहीं मिलेगा. और तब सिविल इंजीनियरिंग वाज द लास्ट स्ट्रीम.
करेक्ट एब्सोल्युटली.
सिविल में भी डायरेक्ट एडमिशन नहीं मिला मुझे, मतलब ऐसी हालत. And I guess in the whole group of friends, about 25 friends, me and one of my friends, we were the only two people who did not get direct admission in degree engineering, and we had to select a path of diploma. I guess that was a point where I felt that something really bad has happened to me. Now, I mean, I don't know where will I go from this point, because I had this understanding that if I have not scored enough in 12th, I guess the career is at stake now. And back in that time in Gujarat, there were only 2 seats from diploma to degree.
Correct.
So first 2 rankers, So first two rankers of the state will get admission from diploma.
Correct.
So even though I scored a distinction in diploma around 86-87%, but I was not in first two. So I lost that chance also.
Correct.
Now, that was really heartbreaking for me. And I felt that there is a dark hole right now in front of me. I don't know where will I go, what will I do.
Yeah.
Because acting, I was doing acting. I was doing performances on stage. But I had never thought that I'll make it a career. Because I was in Surat. I had no idea that you can make it a career.
Yes.
So वो बहुत ही एक weird सा time था. But what worked for me is that I wanted to utilize each and every second of the day. I cribbed for almost 3-4 months. यार क्या हो गया? अब क्या करूँगा? And during those cribbing sessions in one of the rooms, I felt कि यार ये अब क्या करूँगा का कोई जवाब होगा नहीं. तुम बैठे रहोगे और 4 महीने गए ना, वैसे 4 साल निकल जाएंगे, पता नहीं चलेगा.
Correct.
So क्या करूँगा सोचने से बेटर ये है कि start doing things.
जी.
I picked up a job, then I joined a theatre group there. I started working on multiple things.
जी.
I guess मैंने इतना सारा काम करना शुरू कर दिया. I met a lot of people. In one of those people that I met, he gave me that idea that you can go to Maharashtra and study. After 11 months. So मैंने पहले तो 11 महीने सूरत में सेल्स का जॉब किया. वहाँ पर भी constant failure. ये उसके साथ पता चला कि this is how the sales world works.
Correct.
So I got that first. जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि पहली जॉब तो सेल्स की होनी चाहिए. It teaches you a lot of things, और ये रिजेक्शंस की जो आदत पड़ जाती है ना सेल्स में,
बिल्कुल.
You come and then you become a stronger person. You know how to deal with rejections, how to convert that into your strength.
Correct.
So I guess before I came to Bombay, Almighty trained me for all these situations which I was supposed to face here on a smaller scale there.
Correct.
Because यहाँ acting के field में rejection is a part of our regular day-to-day life. You go for audition and वो लोग.
Correct.
And I gave audition for 16 long years, so I know that how it works.
Yes. Absolutely.
But because that small experience of sales job there helped me a lot.
Correct.
Maneuvering my mind, my thoughts, discarding the bitterness, discarding the negativity, and working only on positivity and passion, constantly.
Correct.
So that worked very well. And I guess from there onwards, journey changed. I went to Maharashtra. I did my degree engineering. From there, I came to Bombay, and I started working in both the fields together.
Yes.
Working in two fields was, I guess, the outcome of this situation. कि अगर तुम 12th में कम मार्क्स आए ना, you failed in one of your dreams. So now you design another path, which is unique, which you love, and which is unique for yourself. So working in two fields, मतलब वो ऐसी challenge थी कि सबने यही बोला कि यार you can't give your 100%.
Correct.
तो मुझे ऐसा था कि ऐसा क्यों हो सकता है यार, कर सकता है ना कोई आदमी, दो चीजें करना चाहता हूँ.
बिल्कुल.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा, फेल होंगे, देख लेंगे. I kept working in two fields for 15 years and I guess I grew in both the fields. जॉब करते करते भी मुझे 12 साल में 4 promotions मिले.
जी, wow, good.
I joined as junior manager and I resigned as deputy general manager.
Oh wow. Amazing.
And here I started working back to back in experimental theatre spaces.
Yes.
So I guess these kind of outcomes come only once you face these challenging times.
Yes.
तो अब तो ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कोई चैलेंजिंग टाइम आता है ना, मुझे मजा ही आता है कि इसमें से कुछ नया निकलने वाला है. सो जस्ट वेट, कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है. चैलेंज आती है तो मुझे लगता है कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है.
Absolutely. Thank you for that answer, Pratik. Brilliant answer. And I think we don't fail when we fall. We fail when we fail to rise.
Yes.
We never fail when we fall. We only fail when we fail to rise back up again. और मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि जनाब यहाँ तो घायल हर एक परिंदा है. यहाँ तो घायल हर एक परिंदा है, लेकिन जो उठकर उड़ सका वही जिंदा है.
वही जिंदा है. बॉक्सिंग का भी सेम नियम है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. So brilliant answers and such a pleasure talking to you, Pratik. I absolutely loved chatting with you and speaking with you and understanding from you behind the scenes, Pratik Gandhi. But a quick little one-word associations,
Yes,
answers. Yes. So, what do these things mean to you, your parents?
My world. I guess the reason of existence.
Correct. Family,
Family is an anchor to me.
anchor, siblings.
Siblings are they're reflections of myself. So my younger brother is a reflection of myself. Yeah.
Wow, wow.
So he completes me. Like we are poles apart, but he completes me. So
Oh,
that's
wow,
the best
lovely,
thing.
lovely. Wife,
Wife is power. So वो तो power engine है. मतलब I guess she's the engine.
wow. Miraya,
Niraya is my heart. मतलब वो heartbeat जो होता है. I guess yeah. So
work for you is
work for you. Work for me is my passion, my food, my soul, my fuel, everything. Like I can't live without work. I can't think.
religion,
Religion is a guiding force, I guess.
guiding force, spirituality,
Spirituality. Okay, so in my mind, I interchange religion and
put
spirituality.
both the same. Okay.
Yeah,
So
both the
guiding
same.
force,
Like guiding force. Yeah.
God,
God is somebody that I feel within.
feel within. Okay. And now ગુજરાતી में કહે છે ને શું સુરત નો જમણ અને કાશી નો મરણ.
Maran.
So one favorite surti dish.
One favorite सूरती एक ही बोलना है क्या ये जाती है सर मतलब
सबसे सबसे ज्यादा
सूरत की बात है और एक ही खाने की चीज बोलना मतलब ये तो इट्स अ टॉर्चर बट स्टिल इफ आई हैव टू से ओनली वन थिंग इट्स खमण
okay and
सुरती खमण
okay there like
there it's like there yeah
and your favorite role, the best you've done so far, you think?
I guess Harshad Mehta's character, Scam.
Really good, yeah. And if there be a favorite dialogue from Scam 1992, what would that, like the favorite dialogue for you?
My personal favorite is success क्या है? Failure के बाद कहना chapter.
And success to you is?
Success is a combination of preparation and opportunity.
Preparation and opportunity. Money to you is?
It's the tool to live life. Nothing else beyond point. Yeah.
Tool to live
It's a
life.
tool.
Tool. And life itself?
Life is a journey to explore.
Brilliant answers. Thoughtful, reflectful, instant, quick. And next, when we meet, we have to have Surti Khaman.
I'll get it for you.
But such a pleasure to speak to you, Pratik. It was such an experience this evening, and I'm so grateful you took out your
Thank
time
you.
and spent this time with all of our audience here. And thank you all very much for joining us. And stay tuned. We will very soon be inviting very special guests to have conversations with us as well and learn from their experience as well, like we learned from Pratik's incredible experience this evening. So thank you for spending time with us. Wish you a great evening, a happy Father's Day, and my love to everybody at home and your family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.